Alright, Tribe Squad, welcome back. It's your girl Shandiza 101, back again with another video, girl. And this video is going to be about the Outre Sabrina melted hairline wig. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That is how YouTube knows how to share my videos with other wig wearers like yourself. And let's get into the unboxing. Alright guys, this video is a collaboration with my homegirl LetzBegin. She slays everything she gets her hands on. Baby hair, blonde hair, you name it, she slays it. Tell her Shandy sent you once you're done watching this video. This style is an interesting style. It just is. Like, this is definitely your mom bop. So I'm feeling it because, you know, I'm a mom. We all need the mom units. Not every unit's gonna be Megan Thee Stallion. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut the lace off of this wig here, because that's how you wear a wig. You gotta get the lace off, sis. This hairline is good. I'm not going to do anything with it. If you want to go in and pluck, sis, be my guest. That's not something I'm going to do. I got these little razors from Dollar Tree. It's like $3 for $1, so that's a good deal. And I really like the tint of this lace. It's almost hard to see it next to my skin, so that blended perfectly. I have heard that this wig is big head friendly, so it fits snug on me. So I don't know, girl, but yeah, this is how I lay it down. I just use a little Got2b. I don't cut the ear tabs until the last step because that's what's going to help me lay it a little easier. Overall, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you're watching it from home, which I know you are, girl, because we need to be staying safe out here in these streets. But yeah, no tangling, no shedding, big head friendly. Color is on 10. If you're trying to look like a mom bitch, this is it. That's what I did. I took this wig out. This is how I installed this unit, which is actually a really great series. I have done a review on several of the units. Here they are right here. And I decided that when they came out with this length, I was definitely going to want to do a review on this length as well, because this is just everything. I love this wig. The thing that you know about the Outre melted hairline wigs is that they have the customized lace for the ears, so it makes it like really realistic and easy to lay. These wigs are, in my opinion, perfect for beginners, especially if you don't really know much about like doing wigs, or you're a lazy wig wearer like me and don't like to do a lot. This is perfect. You don't need to pluck or do anything. Now, you could go in and customize the hairline more if you'd like, but you don't have to, so that's nice. They have quite a bit of colors. They're all like this natural kind of color. Let me give you guys a look from the side. From the back. What do I not like about the wig? I probably don't like how it cuts here, but that's just because I'm short. Maybe like here would have been great. It would have been just like a perfect little bob, you know? You can pull it back. And you know that ear situation is just looking perfect. It looks so amazing, guys. But yeah, this is what she looks like. Go put her in your cart. Go put her in your cart. Look at that. Look at that. What? I'm sorry, what? Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me and watching this video and having your notifications on, girl. That means the world to me. Y'all are like my sisters, so I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys head over to my YouTube sister, LetzBegin, and check out her video now that you're done watching this one, and tell her I sent you. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.